Get excited about the 2015 Nissan Rogue. It features a continuously variable transmission, all-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, a trip computer, turn signal indicator mirrors, rear wipers, and cruise control. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.